And welcome. Thank you for joining me. This is Wendy. I wanted to give you a quick tour around my website, but mainly I am focusing on how to shop with me, not through Stampin' Up, but how to shop on my actual website because I've had a couple people have problems with their downloads. So I want to just take care of that. So when you come to my website, loveandstampin.com, you'll click on shop. And then here you're going to see all the places you can shop with me. You can shop Stampin' Up. That's this top row here. Then if you want to shop for stuff from me, you would look here. So we've got PDF tutorials, which are specific to paper crafting, handcrafted products, which are items that I have made that are for sale, and then resource guides and cheat sheets. So if you click on this one, it's going to bring you to this page that has all of my items that are on here right now. You'll want to check back here regularly because there's always more stuff being added. So you click add to cart, and here I have added a notice. Please note, if you are purchasing a download, your download will appear on the checkout page. There will be red boxes that you click on and download. If you have created an account, you can return and log into your account to download in the future. So you can see here I previously had added this to my account, but I'm going to click the red X and remove it because I want to be able to show you this without having to process a payment. So we're going to click, and here you can add other things as well. We're going to click proceed to checkout. And then there's a little additional note information here on the checkout page. My address and information is already populated and added here, so I'm going to click place order. Once this is done, it's going to take you to this screen. Thank you, your order has been received. It gives you your total, your information. You could print this screen if you wanted to, but if you notice, there's a red button here and it says download. You can go ahead and click that, and it's going to give you the option to save it or open it and download the item. Now, if you ever need to come back or you need this download again, you can contact me. But this is the page that you need to download from. So I hope that helps clear up any information or confusion regarding this. It is PDF download, so if you're purchasing it on a phone, you need to make sure that you have a way to save that download on your phone. I hope that helps. A few other things, there is a click here to see resource and cheat sheets page, and that takes you right to this. And then my blog can be accessed by simply clicking on blog, and then you can see all of my blog posts. If you want my blog posts to show up in your email, you can click this and subscribe. However, this does not subscribe you to my email list where I send out freebies and information. This literally just makes sure that you get my blog posts delivered into your email box. You can click here to read all about my team and learn more about the lovely stampers. And you can join my team from here by clicking these buttons. So, and here's a photo of us, not an updated one, and there's lots of questions here. You can click the plus sign. Anywhere you see a plus sign on my website that has, it's like in a blue, you can click on that and read the questions or the information. If you go to classes, I currently have, usually always have one class available. You can click current class to go. It's going to share information with you about the class. You can click any of these buttons to purchase the class. You can click the plus sign to read more about the class. I actually have a retreat to go happening right now as well. It's releasing on Friday the 8th. So if you're watching this video before that time, you are getting in on some inside info. But you can sign up for that stuff here. There's retreat to go information here. And then I've got an about page that is basically about me, who I am, what I'm doing, why I do it, and all the ins and outs of my life, basically. There's my handsome hubby. And then you can go to the home page where I have placed for you to sign up to get my emails. Again, this is find out more about me, so it takes you to my about page. And this is just some stuff I have, like my free video tutorials. You click here and it's going to take you to a few tutorials that I have that have been popular, but you can also click here to go to my YouTube channel and see all of them. You can visit the shop, and then again, classes to go. Down here at the bottom are my most recent blog posts. You can click on those. And I have lots of information on my website. I shouldn't say information, testimonials throughout my website of happy customers and team members. So down here at the very bottom, you can click on any of these as well to shop or check out more info on my website. I hope this quick little tour helped you. I've had a few people ask questions about different things, and owning a website and running a website is always a work in progress. So I'm always working to make some changes and stuff like that. So I hope that helped. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.